Hello everyone, I am Natasha Karkhanis, your financial advisor, and today I am going to talk on children's education and marriage planning. Now, many a times my client asks me, बच्चे तो अभी छोटे हैं, इतने जल्दी उनका फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग क्यों करना है? Why do we need to plan for their future or their education so early? There is still time. Do you really think that there is still time? So let me tell you one thing, at the same time I am having a category of clients who tells me कि मैडम बहुत लेट हो गया इन लोग का फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग करने में, काश ये सब कुछ पहले ही किया होता, काश आपसे पहले ही मिले होते. You know, this is what exactly happens. In India, 95% of the people don't plan for their children, marriage and educational planning. जब तक बच्चे बड़े होते हैं, till that time your age also increases and your retirement has come near. During that time, many of the people opt for loans. They take loans in order to complete their child's education. Now, let's take an example. Suppose in today's world, in today's scenario, if your child want to go for MBA or doctorate or engineering, if you want to go for higher studies, what is the cost? If with today the cost of education has gone very high. Even if you want to do a MBA or if you want to become a doctor, if your child want to become a doctor, the cost is not less than 10 to 15 lakhs today. Think what will happen after 20 years, or think what will happen after 10 to 15 years. Yeah, the cost would have gone up to 40 to 50 lakhs. What have you planned for this 40 to 50 lakhs? How are you going to arrange this 40 to 50 lakhs? That is why same goes with your marriage also. Suppose in today's world, if in your custom the marriage cost is around say 10 lakhs, what will happen after 30 years or 25 years? This 10 lakhs, because of the inflation, it will go nearly to 30 to 40 lakhs. Have you planned? Have you planned for your child's marriage? Have you planned for this 30 to 40 lakhs? Where are you going to get this money from? There are only one option that people goes, that is the loan option. Then what happens? When their retirement comes, they have to give up their hard-earned saving to pay off the loan. That's why many a times in India, 95% of the people are still dependent. Many of the times there are people who have to work even after their retirement. They can't enjoy their retired life. That is because they failed in planning for their children's financial need or for their children's educational and marriage planning. Your child education and marriage planning are the things that you need to plan at a very early stage. I'm having a list of clients who has already planned for their children's education and marriage planning when the child was hardly of 6 months, 1 year, and of 1 year. So in such cases, those people will not have to go for the loan option and all. In case in future, if they require money and all for their child education and all, they have already made the provision. The category of people who make this provision don't have to break their savings, or compared to others, their retired life is quite happy and they are quite tension free compared to others. So that's why you need to plan for your child's education and marriage planning. If you have liked the video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. In case if you want to do your child's marriage and educational planning, do mail to us. Our experts will contact you back. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.